Hey family, thanks for tuning in. You guys are truly amazing. I'm trying to post as much as possible for you guys. So like, subscribe, comment so we can stay connected. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about skincare routine for oily and dry skin. I know some of you will be like, hey, this is what we've been waiting for. So first, you have to determine your skin type so you can customize the skincare routine with products that will work best for your specific skin type. But never mind, I'm going to put up a video on how to determine your skin type in my next post. If you already know your skin type, be it oily or dry skin, you have to be cleaning your face in the morning and in the night to keep your skin moist and supple. I have an oily skin, so I use a very mild product like Pixy cleanser because it helps remove excess oil and dirt which has been gathered all through the night. Pixy cleanser are two different types for different skin type. This is astringent for oily skin. This is astringent for oily skin. You can see that here. And we have this one is non alcoholic astringent for dry and sensitive skin. This two cleansing milk contains natural ingredients to keep your skin soft and smooth. So I'm gonna be applying the astringent for oily skin on my face now. Okay, let me just turn the camera so you can see my face.
Lucas.
Take note, after cleaning your face, you wait for like 20 minutes or 30 minutes then before you can rinse away all the cleansing milk. Then after rinsing away all the cleansing milk, you apply a moisturizing cream. Thank you very much for tuning in today. I really appreciate you. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe and always remember to turn on your notification bell to be notified anytime there's a new upload in this channel. Bye. See you next time.